This is the day trunk shaped bowl with chunks, naturally handcrafted for a unique look, giving your home that added style. This bowl is filled with these beautiful salt chunks in it to give the beautiful look. So just I'm showing you the beautiful craft of it, and now opening the packaging to show you the detailing of this beautiful hand carved trunk bowl. As you can see, the wooden base of it, it is covered with this, and the good thing is that Saremco Impex Private Limited always give the products in complete packaging, which is the very positive and plus point of it. As you can see, the packaging is very strong, so it is quite difficult to open it, but let me try if I can. I don't have any scissors near to me, but okay, let me try this if I can. Yes. Okay, now you will see the magic in it, the beautification of the cuts, the curves of the shape, and here you go. When you will lift the light in it, you will see these chunks will give emerald. Okay, let me fix these chunks to show you the proper look of it. Okay, leave it if you can. It's amazing. This is wow. Okay, now I'm going to show you the bottom of it, which is hollowed to allow space for a light bulb and a wooden base in it, so it will be easy for you to lit the light and use this lamp at your place. So if you really want to have it, just go to our website www.saremcoimpex.com and order your favorite trunk shaped bowl with chunks.